Hello friends, welcome with Knowledge Extension. Today we're going to learn the difference between online classes and offline classes. The first, online classes saves time and resources of the student, does not need to travel the location to study. For offline classes, the student has to travel to the coaching center, which involves the wastage of time and resources. Second point, online classes. Student is more comfortable in clearing doubts due to one-to-one session. And please, I wanted to tell you that the knowledge extension provides one-to-one session. Whereas for offline classes, the student is hesitate in clearing the doubts in front of the huge batch. Third, online classes, student can choose the time slot according to his choice at the point of time. For offline classes, a student is restricted to the time slot as per the classes conducted. Fourth, for online class, distance learning is possible from any location, whereas for offline class, a student has to be physically present at the place of class. Fifth, online class, material can be exchanged and can be saved easily, thus saving time and resources. For offline class, material has to be copied down and involves time and energy and wastage of resources. Sixth, for online class, projects and assignments can be transferred easily from the comfort of home. For offline class, projects need to be submitted at the desired place. Seventh, for online class, teachers can track the performance easily of each child individually, whereas for offline class, teachers face problems due to the huge batch of students. Eighth, feedback can be shared by the student after each session, which helps in improving the future sessions. Whereas for offline class, there is no such system in offline classes. Ninth, for online class, access to multiple information is available for the student. For offline class, are limited to books. Online class helps in building good teacher and student relationship, whereas the offline class is difficult to give one-to-one attention. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you are free to contact us, call us or email us. We would be happy to help you out. And just in case if you have you wanted to learn about coding, about computer languages, we would be very happy to help you out. You can call us, contact us anytime. Thank you.